So first of all, we're kind of a green company. We recycle cardboard, we recycle the oil that we take out of cars, we recycle the metal that we take off cars. So that was the start of, I already have a green thinking mind, and when it come to the electric bill starting to double, triple, quadruple what we paid just a year or two ago, it was very quick. I need to do something about this and try to reduce our electric costs. Tick Tock was great to work with. Choosing a local company made me feel a whole lot more comfortable spending a pretty large sum of money. They made it easy in giving me projections, telling me exactly how the process was going to go. I got a lot of peace of mind knowing I'm dealing with a local company, that if I have an issue in the future, they're going to get it taken care of. The payoff was going to be, 5 years or less. And so when I decided to do solar, I decided to do it very quickly, because just in the year that I was researching how it worked and the benefits of it and stuff, our electric bill literally quadrupled. And so when, we went from paying $300 to $400, $500 on the higher months in the summer and winter to paying $1,200 to $2,000 for our electric bill, it made it really quick sink in. Then that's not the only rate increases we're going to see. There's probably more coming in the future. So it made it pretty simple to invest in that, because it was going to pay for itself. I think it'll definitely pique some interest. For the most part, our customers just want their car fixed and be safe and reliable in a timely manner. The solar panel is not going to make us be quicker or help us fix their car faster, but I do think that it will help us not have to raise prices, because our electric bill is continuing to rise.
To learn more about solar for your commercial facility, visit TickTockEnergy.com.